Good morning, children. Children, we finished our multiplication topic, isn't it? Today we are going to do exercise from the textbook, from Samachir textbook. So today we are going to do time concept, that is earlier, later, old, new, fast, slow, from our textbook. Get ready with your textbook, children. Children, take your Samachir textbook, page number 45. Is a time concept, earlier, later. When we see something, we used to think, isn't it? She was a small girl, but see how tall she has grown now. See, this is a small plant. This was a small plant. I watered this plant, but now see how big tree it is. We used to think like this, isn't it? This is earlier, later. Earlier, look here, it was a stone, isn't it? Earlier, முன்னாடி அது ஒரு stone, isn't it? Later, from stone, they invented a mortar. In Tamil, we say this as ural, isn't it? So, earlier it was a stone. After some period, they invented it from the stone, mortar. Okay, now like this. Write the sequence of activities from earlier to later by 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so by the sequence earlier, later, we have to write it as 1, 2, and 3. Earlier, a kid, then a young man, isn't it? Then a very old man. Okay. Now earlier a kid, then a young man, later an old man, isn't it? Now here, see here, idli, and here rice, and here it is wet flour, isn't it? So earlier rice, then it changed to wet flour, isn't it? Later, in the form of idli. So earlier rice, wet flour, then idli. Okay, children. Now, next one. Children, as I have problem in my computer, I'm erasing all this 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, don't do that. You continue with this. Okay. Earlier, can you do this by yourself? Which is 1, 2, 3. Egg. Yes. Then chick. Then cock. Okay. Now, observe the pictures. Observe the pictures. Observe the pictures and color the objects based on their stages. Earlier, papaya, it was a vegetable, isn't it? Later, papaya is a fruit. Which color? Yellowish, orange, or any color you can give. Okay. Yellow color or orange color, any color you can give. Earlier, raw mango. Now, later, ripened mango. Raw mango, what color? Green color. So, give green color here. Okay, children. Next one. The next page, page number 46. The next concept is old, new. See here, the model of old television. Have you seen this? This is a new television what we are using today. Isn't it very flat, easy, slim, easy to handle also, isn't it? Old television, new television. Now we are going to match the old objects with the new objects. Now we are going to match the old objects with the new objects. Children, for grinding, now we are using, in olden days they use this, isn't it? Nowadays we are using mixie for this. So match this. In olden days we use this type of telephone. Nowadays we are using mobile phones. Isn't it? Have you seen this telephones? It has numbers from 0 to 9 here. So we have to dial with this number, and we cannot take this phone wherever we go. But nowadays we have mobile phone wherever we go, the phone also with us only. So this is older one, this is new object, isn't it? In olden days we used to record, we used to play music using these tapes only. Okay, nowadays we use this pen drive, isn't it? You know this, isn't it? So now, olden days we use this hurricane light. Nowadays we are using this LED lights in our houses. So replacement of old to new, isn't it, children? So match this, children. The next page. See, in olden days, information were stored in palm leaves like this. Later, books were used instead of palm leaves. Okay, children. The next one is fast, slow. We all know snail moves slowly, crab moves faster, isn't it? So slow, fast. Now tick the vehicle which moves fast. Obviously you know this, isn't it? Yes, isn't it? Yes, obviously it is the bike that moves fast, motorbike that moves fast. The next one. Now let us color this picture, children. To color this picture, which picture could be colored neat and fast? Which picture could be colored neat and fast, children? A single flower or bunch of flowers with the plant? Single flower can be colored fast and also neat, isn't it? Yes, isn't it? It is only one flower, but here we have to flower. See, 3 to 4 flowers are there, 3 flowers are there, 2 buds are there, and we have to color the leaves also, stems, everything we have to color. It takes time to color, and it is so small also, so we have to color it with more concentration, isn't it? So coloring the single flower is more easy, and we can color it very fastly. Okay, children? So color these two pictures and see, children, whichever you can color it very fast. Less time, more time. Okay. Which takes more time? to fill? Small buckets take more time or big buckets take more time to fill? Small buckets take less time to fill. It is small, isn't it? It takes only less time to fill. Big buckets takes more time to fill, isn't it? பெரிய பக்கெட் இருக்கு தண்ணி ஃபில் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய டைம் ஆகும் இல்லையா? Yes, big buckets take more time to fill. So tell me now, which spoon will you see to transfer oil from the bowl to the bottle quickly? Why? They have given two spoons here, isn't it? So with which spoon you will transfer the oil from the bowl to the bottle quickly? We have to do it quickly. So which spoon do you choose? This one or this one? The one which is big, isn't it? This one only we will choose because it is easier for us to transfer the oil from the bowl to bottle quickly, and also with less time we can transfer the oil, isn't it, children? If we take this spoon, it takes more time to fill. Yes, isn't it? If we take this, we can fill it more quickly. Okay, children. Now, by seeing the picture, you can tell who will reach the school first and why. Who will reach the school first, children? See a boy and a girl here. Who will reach the school first? The boy will reach the school first as he is nearer to the school. Okay, this girl has to cross this boy's house first, then only she will reach the school. But this boy directly can go to school because he is very nearer to the school. Okay, he can reach in less time. Okay, understood, children? Children, with this we are completing our class today. We'll see in the next class, children. Thank you.